Welcome back to Core Specific Fitness. This next exercise is a standing oblique crunch. Use with weight or without weight. Right hand side first, arm overhead. Coming down slow, engaging a pull. If you want to add variation, you could also come here and with a crunch. So either just feet down, standing, if you're working on your balance. Otherwise, you bring in your knee to the side. After about 10, switching sides, other side, same concept. Reaching down slow. Either with your feet down is fine. Otherwise, coming with the knee tuck. And that is your standing oblique crunch.